beautiful people, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Yeah, so today we are gonna make besan paratha without needing any dough. You don't have to need any dough. We need some things like green chilies, coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons. Green chilies, you can take it as per your taste, and 1 medium onion which is finely chopped. So here I'm taking gram flour, and I've already added here salt. As you can see, you can take it as per your taste. So here I'm taking some gram flour, 6 to 7 tablespoons of gram flour. So I'm adding here some turmeric powder. It's about 1/4 teaspoon. Red chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Carom seeds, 1/2 tablespoon. Black cumin, 1/2 teaspoon. It will give a strong flavor in it. So now I'm adding here green chilies, onions, and coriander leaves. So now we will add here some water. So now we will mix it and make a thick batter. So here is our paste, a thick paste. You can check the consistency. So now it's ready to cook. Now our pan is enough hot, and I'm gonna add the 1/2 tablespoon of oil. We don't need much oil, and we will spread the oil all over the pan. That's it. We will pour some batter in it. So now here, as you can see, our mixture is completely spreaded. Now it will cook. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to cook perfectly. So it's such a quick and easy recipe. You can make it anytime, like breakfast or snacks. And then you know that is such a quick recipe, so easy and so delicious. You're really gonna love this recipe. Without needing any dough, you can make the besan paratha. I hope you will like it. It's time to flip it now. We will flip it. So as you can see, it's completely cooked from this side. Cook it on low flame. It won't get burned, and it will cook perfectly. And enjoy your meal with less oil, less cholesterol, and a healthy food. So here is our final look of besan paratha. You can see that I have made 3 parathas from that besan, gram flour parathas, and it's such a quick and nice paratha. You know that it's awesome recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and whenever you make it, let me know your experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.